This automated system helped me analyze hundreds of competitor videos and extract viral patterns in under 30 minutes, something that used to take me weeks of manual work. Just last week, I used it to analyze a competitor's channel and discovered the exact hook formula they've been using to get millions of views per video. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact N8N workflow that I've built so that you can go and reverse engineer any YouTube channel and find winning content ideas, even if you've never touched an automation before. By the end of this video, you'll have a system that can pull hook patterns, analyze titles, extract viral thumbnails, and even generate content outlines automatically. And if you want to get started right away, I've put the free blueprint in our community so that you can download it and start analyzing your competitors today. Once you download the template, it'll literally take you 5 minutes to get up and running. And I'm going to show you the approach that starts with the filtering system that only finds videos actually worth analyzing, because if you analyze the wrong videos, this whole thing is worthless. Now, it's broken down into 3 main parts. We have the YouTube keyword search, so you can search YouTube for keywords that are relevant to your niche. Then there's also the YouTube creator search. This is where you can search by the URL of your competitor. And lastly, you can analyze that YouTube competitor's top videos, understand the reasoning behind their titles as well as their hooks, and then generate new hooks for you, because by basing content on the top performing videos, you have a higher chance of one of yours going viral. Now, let's dive into how this entire system works. Okay, guys, so it all starts from this Google Sheets section. So you have a keyword section, you have a URL section. So all I have to do is put in a specific keyword. So let's say I wanted to look up AI agents. I could put that keyword in, and then we're going to hit the keyword. Now what's happening is it's going to send that information to this webhook. We're then using Apify to go and search YouTube for those videos with that specific keyword. So after that, it hits this if statement. And what we're looking for is where the view count is more than 1,000 views and that the view count is greater than the number of subscribers. Now you can see out of that 100 items, it output only 3, and then the other 97 did not meet that threshold. From there, it's going to go and check if there's any duplicate entries. If there are duplicate entries, it's going to merge them together and then output a final title, description, and the comments. Now you can see that it's output all of this information into our spreadsheet. We have the title, the URL, the thumbnail, the name of the channel, the duration of the videos, how many likes these got, number of subscribers, the view count, the video transcript, a description of the thumbnail, a potential thumbnail text that you could use yourself, and then a new title and a new outline. And so really what's happening there is we're analyzing that thumbnail using the Analyze Image OpenAI tool. We then run another Apify, but this time we are grabbing the specific transcripts based on the videos, and then we're generating the YouTube title and an outline and updating our spreadsheet. Now, shout out Nolan Harper, as he was the brains behind this original automation. And then I added in these 2 additional so that you could search by creator and generate viral hooks based on Hormozi's framework. So now let's say we wanted to search for a specific YouTuber, and let's look at Nate Herc. So 256,000 subscribers. We're going to go ahead and do a profile search on him, identify his top performing videos. Now, similar process, we're going to go and scrape that account. And this time what we're doing is we're looking at the view count, making sure that it's greater than the total amount of channel views that he has divided by the amount of videos. So we're getting the average views that he gets on his videos. And then we want it to be greater than 1.2, so 20% of his videos. Then we will check for any duplicate entries. We'll merge all of them together and then add that to our spreadsheet. And so now if we look at this, we scraped 24 videos. So he's posted 24 times in the last 60 days. But out of those, only 3 met our criteria of virality, where they really exceeded all of the other videos that he's currently released. So now if we go to our spreadsheet, we can see right here that we have those 3 entries. So it looks like this was one of his really popular ones. I built a 24/7 viral shorts machine with no code, and then my proven AI agent formula explained. So let's say we wanted to analyze this 24/7 viral shorts machine with no code. What we're going to do is just hit generate new video, and this is going to trigger our 3rd automation. And what's happening here is we're analyzing the thumbnail, we're getting the specific transcription. Then you can see right here, we're understanding the title pattern. So what made this specific title work so well, right? Why it works. What are the key elements? And then what is some potential thumbnail text that we could overlay onto our own thumbnail? The key part of this is really the outline generator. So we're looking for hook patterns that fall into one of these categories. What are the retention techniques that they're utilizing? And a step-by-step framework that will provide us with the hook pattern, why the hook works, and a specific hook variation of 30 to 60 seconds long. So now if we go back to this video and we look at the video summary, we can see, okay, this video demonstrates an AI-powered workflow that fully automates the creation and posting of viral social media shorts entirely without coding. There's a 5-step automated process that starts with Google Sheets, generating brand-specific image, video, audio prompts, producing the final visuals and sounds via Flux, Kling, and 11 Labs, combining the assets with Creatomate, and finally posting across Instagram using Blotato. It includes a live demo, templates, resources for free, explains the setup, integration details, and the cost structure for running the system independently. Now, why does this title work, right? This title uses a personal experience formula that creates curiosity. I built a compelling result, so 24/7 viral shorts machine, and highlighting that there's a free end-to-end template, triggering viewers' desires to learn how to replicate with minimal effort and risk. So now provides us with a few new titles. I built a no-code TikTok growth bot that works 24/7, free template. I built a 24/7 viral short system with no code to grow subscribers fast, etc. Now it gives us the original hook, the specific hook pattern, why this hook works, and then the hook variation. So I'm just going to read you this hook because I think it's pretty powerful. Imagine waking up every morning to find viral shorts posted across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube without lifting a finger or writing a single line of code. I just built an AI-powered system that handles every step. It pulls story ideas straight from your Google Sheet, uses cutting-edge AI to craft ultra-sharp images and cinematic videos, and even generates unique sound effects all in minutes. Then, with zero manual effort, it stitches everything together for you and blasts your creations out to all your socials completely on autopilot. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up for yourself. And I'm giving away the entire workflow and templates 100% free. Plus, stick around because I'll walk you through the real results and show you how you can start running your own automated viral short factory in under 10 minutes. Ready to see how it works? Let's jump in. So pretty incredibly powerful, in my opinion. And now you can analyze all of your competitors. You can analyze by keyword search term, by the creator search URL, and the YouTube asset generation portion. Now, there is one other thing that I want to point out in this video, which is the use of these buttons. So you can see right here, we have these little check marks, and same in analysis. How we set that up is you're going to come into here into extensions and click on app scripts. And then from there, if you go into triggers, you're going to add a new trigger. It's going to be on edit from spreadsheet on edit. You're going to go ahead and hit save. And then in your editor, if we were to count, this is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 4, and our last button is on column K, which is column 11. All you're going to have to do is replace these 3 webhooks, 1, 2, and 3, with webhook 1, 2, and 3 right here. So you just take these, import it into this section right here, and replace your API key with your Appify API key in each of these sections. And that's pretty much it. From there, you're ready to go. So it literally takes you 5 minutes to set this up, and the power behind it is pretty immense. So hope you got something out of this. If you did, please consider dropping a subscribe. It's free, helps support the channel. And with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one. Have an awesome day. Peace.